Okay, you guys, this is part 2. Go see part 1 so you can be all caught up. Then come over here with me. I'm going to just jump in and see what comes out. Okay, so what's going on here with this hangman and this 3 of wands? 3 of pentacles. Something about this dynamic between you and this ex was, how do you say, artificial. Okay? It was cultivated on faulty grounds. Okay? Which means that somebody was, they were hired to come into your life to groom you, or to keep you deadlocked, to keep you upset, depressed, sad, discouraged. Okay? A life full of toxicity. Okay? But you broke away from that here. Okay? Okay, so this connection was definitely sabotaged. Okay, but I feel like a group or community of people had a lot to do with this. Okay, that I'm here, Dave Chappelle. The milk's gone bad. So this community or group of people basically turned this person against you, yeah. But they didn't. They allowed it, so they are being held accountable as well. Accountable. 2 of Cups reverse. No lovers, please. What's going on here? Okay, so it seems like this person wants to come towards you with some type of communication. Okay, but they're trying to seem nonchalant about it. It's like they want to. I'm hearing, how does it feel? How does it feel? Being single? How does it feel? Okay. Yeah, how does it feel to be single? How does it feel to be collaborating with people? How does it feel? This person is jealous. This person is sad. They want you back. Something like this here. They may want to, something about an opportunity, make a change. Some type of dynamic. Because they see the cycle is ended out because you're doing your big one or something like this. How does it feel? Alright. This person could be crying by themselves. Okay? Hiding their emotions. Yeah. This person sees this is going to take a lot of work in order for them to re-enter your life. Okay, with this person, I'm hearing scatterbrain here. So it feels like their mind is all over the place, but all these thoughts, all these feelings, all these energies are focused on you. Okay, how could I be so reckless? This person is frustrated with themselves. Nine of Pentacles is here. What's going on with the Nine of Pentacles? This person sees that you're out here taking care of yourself, standing on business. Yeah. They see you making big moves or something like this. I'm hearing like blues, jazz. Say I wanna. I'm also hearing, I think that's called Zapping Rogers. Ooh, ah, Said I wanna. I don't know the words to that. Something about that harmonica or whatever that is could be significant. Whatever you're going towards, your hard work is paying off. I feel like you have a lot of responsibilities on your plate right now, but I feel like you're having time to do whatever it is that you're doing creatively. Okay, let me make sure. Okay, how to make sure I save it just in case this thing cut off. What's going on with the moon? 9 of Cups. Okay, so the reason why you're going through all this trials and tribulations, this ups and downs, this turmoil, is because things are being swept out of your way so new things can come in. Okay? It may seem like things are janked up, it may seem like it or feel like it or woe is me type of energy, but you need to keep your perspective light and bright. You need to see your perception, you need to see that everything is going to be okay. These things are happening, yes, it's irritating, yes, but these things have to happen in order for you to have a clear path to your new beginnings. Okay? Also, all this chaos is strengthening you emotionally. Okay? For my Cancer girlies that be out here whiny faced. I know, because I'm a whiny faced Cancer too, so it's okay. But our tears have power, so it is what it is. It's all about how you see things. Okay. Ooh, I see a card. Oh. It's the Hierophant. You got to be a strong, highly intuitive, spiritual being to cause a narcissist to feel feelings that they don't want to feel. You have to be very strong. Congratulations. Kudos to you. Big ups, little dog. What else is here? Yeah. Bringing it down, bringing it around town. Interesting. What's going on with this? Hold on, y'all. Okay, so this narcissist that causes you all kind of strife, they're going through a tower right now. And their tower, it's like they're being, how do you say, shedding? They're shedding, okay? They could be shedding something about their beliefs as well. They could be awakening to the fact that they were going down a dark path or the wrong path. And that's why they're in this tower energy. They no longer can trust these people or this religion or whatever it is that they serve. So this person is withdrawing. They're pulling back their energy from whatever this community or cult, or I don't know what it is. They're pulling back their energy from these people because they feel like they need to move quickly towards you before something else happens or somebody else does. Interesting. So we're gonna get some other cards. Let me check. But I think we're gonna go with Moonology. But if you want to continue to listen, follow me over there.